Welcome back to our series on 10 habits for a happier life. Today, we're exploring habit 10, finding joy in simple pleasures and self-care. It's a reminder that in the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, it's the small, everyday moments that often hold the key to our happiness. We'll delve into how simple pleasures and self-care can enhance our lives and why it's so important to make them a part of our daily routine. Ready to make your life a little happier? Let's jump right in. When we talk about finding joy in simple pleasures, we're referring to those small, everyday moments that often go unnoticed but can truly brighten our day. It's about pausing to breathe in the aroma of fresh coffee in the morning or feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin. It's about the magic hidden in the mundane, the extraordinary within the ordinary. Take, for example, a warm cup of tea. It's not just a beverage, but a moment of mindfulness. As you wrap your hands around the mug, feel the warmth seeping into your palms. Notice the gentle steam rising, the subtle aroma wafting up. Close your eyes and take a sip. Let the flavor unfold on your tongue, the warmth trickle down your throat. This simple act of drinking tea becomes a meditation, a celebration of the present moment. These moments remind us to slow down and enjoy life. Now, let's discuss the importance of self-care. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, we often overlook the necessity of taking intentional steps to nurture our well-being. Self-care is not an act of indulgence. It's an essential practice that fuels our physical, mental, and emotional health. Think of self-care as the fuel that keeps your engine running. Without it, we risk running ourselves into the ground. But with it, we create a protective barrier that shields us from life's stressors and allows us to function at our best. Self-care can take many forms. It could be as simple as a hot bath at the end of a long day, a quiet morning spent with a good book, or a peaceful walk in nature. It could be laughter shared with friends, a nourishing meal, or even a restful night's sleep. Self-care recharges our batteries and helps us handle life's challenges with more resilience. So, how can you start incorporating habit #10 into your life? It's easier than you might think, and even small changes can have a big impact. Here are some practical tips to get you started. First off, consider creating a joy journal. Each day, take a few moments to jot down 3 things that brought you joy. They don't have to be grand or extraordinary. In fact, the simpler the better. It could be the smell of fresh coffee in the morning, a kind word from a friend, or even a bird singing outside your window. This practice helps you become more aware of these small but significant moments of joy that often go unnoticed. Secondly, learn to set boundaries. It's important to protect your time and energy. Don't be afraid to say no when needed. Prioritize your self-care without feeling guilty. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Next, make it a habit to unplug regularly. In our always connected world, it's easy to forget the importance of simply being present. Take breaks from screens and enjoy the real world around you. Go for a walk, read a book, or spend time with loved ones without the distraction of a device. Lastly, practice mindfulness. Engage in activities like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. These practices help you stay grounded and focused, allowing you to better appreciate the simple pleasures in life. Try these tips and see the difference they make in your life. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What simple, everyday joys light up your world? How do you weave self-care into the fabric of your daily routine? Your experiences and insights might just inspire someone else, so don't hesitate to share in the comments below. To recap, we've journeyed through the realm of Habit 10, where we've discovered the magic in everyday moments and the transformative power of self-care. We've learned that joy can be found in a warm cup of tea, a leisurely walk, or a beautiful sunset, and that self-care, far from being a luxury, is as essential as the air we breathe. So, as we part ways for now, remember to savor the simple pleasures and to be your own best friend. If this video has sparked a little joy or inspiration, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you care about. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more nuggets of wisdom. Take care and be kind to yourself. Bye for now.